Sofia Rizam. My metric number is 2025 86766.
Hi, my name is Nurin Alia Akila binti Suhaimi and my metric numbers is 202528 5084.
Hi, my name is Siti Jazwani binti Shuhairi. My matrix number is 2025862726.
Hi, my name is Nurul Ala Natasha binti Syarul Anwar. My matric number is 2025867556. Compound interest is a financial principle where interest is calculated not only on the original principal but also on previously accumulated interest. This causes interest to grow up on top of interest over time, creating a snowball effect in which the total amount increases at an accelerating rate. The one that said is Morgan Franklin in 2022. Okay, for the chapter 3, compound interest. The problem statement is Siti wants to continue her education at PhD level while she is still working as a teacher at Tanjung Kulai Secondary School for 12 months and plans to save her money in the CIMB Term Investment I, JIA-I. She intends to deposit RM40,000 for a period of 9 years and the saving account offers an interest rate of 2.13% compound quarterly. Okay, so for the objective 1, the objective is to determine the accumulated amount of investment after 9 years. So let's do it. First, the formula is S equals to P brackets 1 plus I power by N. Then S equals to RM40,000 bracket 1 plus 23 divided by 40,000 power by 36. And the answer is RM40,917.1 cent. Okay, for the objective 2 is to calculate the amount of interest received. So the formula is I equals to S minus P. Then I equals to RM40,917.1 cent minus RM14,000. So the answer of I is RM917.1 cent.
Objective 3. I will explain how to calculate the accumulated amount when an additional deposit is made into the same account after 3 years. First, we begin with the initial investment of 4,000 ringgit. To calculate its accumulated value after 3 years, we use the formula S1 equals to P1 times 1 plus I raised to the power of N1. So we substitute the values into the formula. S1 equals 4,000 ringgit times 1 plus 23 over 4,000 raised to the power of 36. After calculating, the accumulated amount becomes 4,917 ringgit and 1 cent. Next, after 3 years, an additional deposit of 3,000 ringgit is added to the same account. To combine the amount with the new deposit, we use the equation P new equals to S1 plus P2. So we add the value P new equals to 4,917 ringgit and 1 cent plus 3,000 ringgit. This gives us a new principal amount of 7,917 ringgit and 1 cent. Then we calculate the accumulated value for the remaining period using the new principle. We use the formula S equals to P new times 1 plus I to raise to the power of N2. By substituting the values of equation becomes S equals to 7,917 ringgit and 1 cent times 1 plus 3 over 500 raised to the power of 12. After calculating, the accumulated amount is 8,506 ringgit and 23 cents. For objective 4, I will explain how to calculate the accumulated amount when there is a change of interest rate to 2.40% compounded quarterly 7 months after her initial investment. First, we calculate the accumulated value before the interest rate change. We use the formula S1 equals to P times 1 plus I1 raised to the power of N1. So we substitute the values S1 equals to 7,917 ringgit and 1 cent times 1 plus 23 over 4,000 raised to the power of 36. After calculating the accumulated value, becomes 9,732 ringgit and 1 cent. Next, we calculate accumulated amount after the interest rate change. We use the formula S equals to S1 times 1 plus I2 raised to the power of N2. Now we substitute the values S equals to 9,732 ringgit and 1 cent times 1 plus 3 over 500 raised to the power of 12. After calculating, the final accumulated amount is 10,456 ringgit and 31 cent.
I'm going to handle case 2, which is annuity. An annuity is a financial product that provides a series of regular payment over time. Let's go with the problem statement. Alamanda wishes to purchase a green car. She plans to buy a new car priced at RM 119,620. She intends to pay 10% as a down payment, while the remaining balance will be financed through RHB Hire Purchase Schemes, which offers an interest rate of 2.52% per annum, compounded monthly over a period of 7 years. The questions that I will discuss with you guys is Objective 1 and Objective 2. For Objective 1, to determine the amount of monthly payments made by Alamanda. So, we need to calculate R. For calculate R, we use formula A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket negative power N bracket over I. So, A is 107,658 equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 21 over 10,000 bracket negative power 84 bracket over 21 over 10,000. So after the calculate, we got 107,658 over 76.93444417 equals to 76.93444417 R over 67.93444417. So the final answer R is RM 1,399.35. Next is Objective 2, to calculate the total interest incurred. For calculate interest, we use formula of I equals to Rn minus A. For R, we got 1,399.35 multiplied with 84 minus 107,658. So the final answer of total interest is RM 8,087.40.
For Objective 3, use formula A n equal R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I minus power of N divided I. First, N unpaid equal N total minus N paid equal 84 minus 70 equal 14. Second, to calculate is A14 equal 13399.35 bracket 1 minus 1 plus 20 1 per 10,000 power minus 40 divided 20 1 per 10,000. The total is RM 90,285.77. For Objective 4, use formula Sn equal R bracket 1 plus I minus 1 divided I. So S4 equal 1,399.35 bracket 1 plus 0.0021 power of 4 minus 1 divided 0.0021 S equal RM 5,615.06. In conclusion, we can learn about annuity concept is to solve real-life financial problems. Annuity concept is facilitate people make decision in financial. The formulas are provided useful for people completing calculation throughout financial process. So people can make decision better in financial, such as plans, making a loans, savings, investment, or financial after
Okay, so this
retirement.
is our references for topic 3, which is compound interest, and topic 4, which is annuity.